It's like gold dust. I hear me coming through your speakers. I see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust. I hear me coming through your speakers.
We've all got to take it in and enjoy it and make the most of it, because you know we might not get our home games again.
Wear the lion on your shirt and be able to like race fast for your home nation.
I'm just really excited to be there, you know, just to get going, start playing and hopefully come home with a medal.
I desperately want to win it, and I'm going to work my hardest and do the very best I can to try and win that gold medal.
It's amazing being on that podium.
We are England, and we're going to go there and do the best we can for England.